Hello Elementary Music Festival students. This is going to be a video for Mallet 2, the second part of our Crunchy 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 ORF piece. As with all of our other pieces, please learn your assigned part first. So if you're assigned to this part, learn this part first. And then once you feel pretty comfortable on this one, please try to learn some additional parts. That will help us when we get together in February, just in case we need to make any adjustments to who's playing what part. This piece is going to have an A section that repeats and then a B section that repeats, and you'll hear both of those sections, and then I'll play them all the way through beginning to end at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy Crunchy Crunchy Mallet Part 2. All right, so this next part here is going to be the B section for Mallet Part 2 of Crunchy Crunchy Crunchy. The B section is going to start on your big A, and then for the first pattern, and then the second pattern is going to go to G, the third pattern is going to go to F, and the last pattern is going to go to G. So it's just helpful to know where we're building around on that one. So you're going to be at A, then you're going to go to the G, and then the F pattern, and then back to the G pattern. There's some notes in between, but that's just helpful to know where you're going for each of those patterns. So the A pattern is actually going to be A, G, F, A, C. So you're going to skip the B in the A pattern. Then, like I mentioned earlier, after the A pattern, you go to the G. And that's going to go G, G, F, E, G, C. That's a little different there because it's going to skip the A and the B on that one. Then after the G pattern, you go to the F, and that is F, F, E, D, F, A, skipping the G. And then the last pattern is not in the crunchy, crunchy, crunchy rhythm. It's just going to be T, 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 ta. And on the notes the pitches will be G, 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 F, E. Again, G, 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 F, E. So from the beginning of our B section, that's the first half, phrase 1 of your B section. So it'll sound like this. A, G, F, A, C. G, G, F, E, G, C. F, F, E, D, F, A. G, 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 F, E. That's the first phrase of your B section. The second phrase is going to start the exact same way. It'll start with the A pattern that we learned in the first half, and then it'll go to the G pattern, and then the end is different. So it starts out A, G, F, A, C, G, G, F, E, G, C. Now for the end, you're going to come back to the G, and we're going to come down. So we're going to have G, G, F, E. Now come back to F. F, F, E, D. Come back to E. E, E, D, C, C. And that last pattern when we did from the G, that is going to be T, 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 ta. So another spot where the rhythm's going to change out of the crunchy, crunchy, crunchy rhythm. So let me play for you just that end of the second phrase. So it's going to be G, G, F, E, F, F, E, D, E, E, D, C, C. Then if you put that with the A pattern and then the G pattern that come before it, it'll sound like this. A, G, F, A, C. G, G, F, E, G, C. Back to G. G, G, F, E, F, F, E, D, E, E, D, C, C. That's the second phrase of your B section. Now I'm going to play for you the B section from beginning to end, and I will repeat it because we will repeat it when we play this in February. B section, Mallet 2. final part of this video is going to be me performing Crunchy, Crunchy, Crunchy Mallet Part 2 from beginning to end. So the A section with a repeat, and then the B section with a repeat.